After years of dreaming about this, we are finally on Lake Powell with a wakeboard boat. Made it to wakeboard Mecca. Super stoked. So it's time for the big grocery shop. I got a list. There's 6 of us out here shopping. Gonna fill up quite a few carts, I think.
I know. I got to the toilet paper. I'm like, I don't know how to do this. Yep.
So all in, $2,247 worth of groceries, not counting the Walmart run or the booze run yet. Out here on Snowmelt, trying to get everything all set for tomorrow to head to Powell. Been having some car issues that I've been working through. So been doing some test driving today, get everything greased up, get all the tire pressure right, the airbag pressure right, got a hitch that's a little bit higher to get the trailer nice and level. So lots of little things because this is a serious tow. This is probably the hardest tow I will ever do, towing a wakeboard boat. It's several hundred miles over the Continental Divide, the highest point of the US interstate system, and then through several hundred miles of very desolate desert in eastern Utah with temperatures of 90 to maybe 100 degrees plus. So want to make sure everything is in ship shape before we go, so we have as good of odds as we possibly can if nothing going wrong on this trip out. So we just took the boat up and are heading to Powell starting just before noon on Friday. Gonna spend the night near Palisade, break up the trip a little bit, hopefully check out some of Colorado's wineries. A little bit rainy today, but I think that'll be good. Keep everything nice and cool on the trailer and on the 4Runner, and hopefully we make it with no issues.
Wow!
So per usual, we're towing and it's pouring rain. Seems like it happens every time we go anywhere. But so far so good. Just coming up to Vail now. Stopping just past Vail, first gas stop. Trying to beat this rain before they close the road for flash flooding. After we left Vail, we headed into Glenwood Canyon, one of the most beautiful stretches of interstate in the entire country. Luckily, the rain let up and we were treated to awesome views all around us as we headed toward Grand Junction. Quick pit stop here in Palisade, checking out Colorado wine, which is actually quite delicious. Drinking some Chardonnays here that are not too oaky and pretty delicious.
So good.
Day 2 about to hit the road. Desert part of the drive, about 7 hours today to get to Page. Hope we make it through the desert. We made it to Powell, all smooth sailing with trailering, and it's now just loading up the houseboat. Gonna put the boat in the water and use it as a little shuttle, bringing all our gear out there. So yeah, got a little bit of work to do tonight. So we're launching the boat right now. Got to do valet because the main ramp is closed, so the Navajo guides are gonna launch for us and start loading the boat up. After years of dreaming about this, we are finally on Lake Powell with a wakeboard boat. Made it to wakeboard Mecca. Super stoked.